You guys made it 35 here, boxbusters.tv. Hey guys, tonight we're doing a 2-box break of 2014 Prizm football. Thank you so much, guys, for getting in tonight's break. Here we go. Good luck to everybody. All right. And my scissors. Alright, here we go. Guys. Box 1. Alright, here we go. Good luck. And last pack. Alright, good luck, guys. Here we go. Willis McGahee out of 99 for the Browns. Willis McGahee. Colin Kaepernick for the 49ers. Tom Savage, Believe the Hype for the Texans. John Elway, that's pretty cool. John Elway out of 50 for the Broncos. Nice card. We're out of 50. Greatest of all time, Calvin Johnson and Jerry Rice. $125 for the Cardinals. Larry Fitz. Ray Lewis intros for the Ravens. Cam Newton and Marshall's Prizm Refractor for the Panthers. And for the Vikings, David. Yankee for the Vikings. Congratulations. He's got a hit. David Yankee. Derek Cohn, Branning's die cut. Fresh faces. Saints. Believe that. Sammy Watkins. Bills. Devin Hester for the Bears. Frank Gifford, refractor prism. The Giants. Larry Zonka. The Dolphins. Cam Newton, Air Marshals for the Panthers. Let's keep rolling. There we go. Mike 75 for the Rams. Congratulations to the Rams. Michael Sam. Michael Sam. They hit. I hit. Michael Sam. Woohoo! Devontae Adams, fresh faces. Packers. And Aaron Foster. 125 for the Texans. Aaron Foster. Terrence West, 75 for the Browns. Intros, RG3, Redskins. Devin Hester for the Bears. Box. So box, here we go. Good luck. Sorry, man. I'm actually going to be done with 2014 soon. I'm going to just be doing 2015. That's funny. At least you weren't the one that shield bid my teams all the way up to $100 a team on my ball and crumb that I have to reschedule. Last one. Thanks again, guys. Here we go. Good luck. Blake Bortles for the Jaguars. Believe that. Jeremy Hill out of 50 for the Bengals. Derek Carr, class rings, the Raiders. Marquise Colston, the Saints. Ben Roethlisberger, Steelers. Hands team, Deshaun Jackson, Redskins. Bob Lilly for the Cowboys. And Evans out of 50 for the Jets. Jets. Shaq Evans for the Jets. Out of 50. For the Jets. Marquise Lee, die cut, Jaguars. Julius Peppers out of 75 for the Packers. That's pretty cool. Peppers. Blake Bortles, Julian Edelman for the Patriots. Brett Favre Prizm refractor. It's kind of a little mark up there, if you see it. Just a little glare mark up there on the card. A little damaged. So it's a nice card, otherwise it's right there. Shoot. Hate to see that. Russell Wilson Air Marshals. Seahawks. Larry Fitzgerald out of 75. Putting a lot of Larry's hits. Inserts. That's kind of cool. Cardinals. Oh, and there we go. Chris Bortland. Back for the 49ers. Retired. Boo. Chris Borland for the 49ers. 75. Mike Glennon, fresh faces for the Buccaneers. And RG3 out of 99 for the Redskins. Ray Allen for the Ravens. Hands team, Brandon Marshall, Bears. Just a little bit of the stack. Here we go. Oops. Derek Johnson out of 125 for the Chiefs. Intros, Cam Newton, Panthers. And that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining in tonight's break. Prizm, February 3rd, 2016. Thank you so much. Chris Bortland, Michael Sam for the Rams. David Yankee for the Vikings, and Shaq Evans for the Jets. Guys, thank you so much. If there's any questions, go ahead and email me. Bowman Chrome are probably rescheduled for Friday. Try to get rid of some of those teams due to somebody shill bidding them and kind of being disrespectful, but what do you do? Thank you so much, guys.